Welcome to today's video of Bitcoin Daily Forecast. In today's video, we're going to be talking about what happened yesterday in Bitcoin price and the cryptocurrency market in general. We saw how the market exploded to the upside. We're going to look at if it's a fake out or we're going to be trending from there. We're going to be seeing that in the chart technically to see what the chart is telling us. Then we'll make our decision. If today is the first time, please like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification if you want to learn everything about cryptocurrency and the financial market. Now let's get straight into the video. Now, as you can see on the daily time frame, this is on the daily time frame right here. So based on what we analyzed yesterday, we're expecting Bitcoin to push up, but you can see what happened yesterday, how the market exploded. Like I told you guys, this was a lower high. You can see this lower high on the daily. So the market created this lower low and pushed up and start selling off. As you can see, we broke structure here, then we pushed up again. You can see we're actually kind of breaking this structure right here. Looking at what we have here, we're actually broken this structure if this daily candle close. Now you can see the way we just tapped into that big daily lower high, just tapped into it. Now the question is, are we exploding to the upside? Now even if you are going to the upside, this is what I'm expecting if we are going to the upside. First of all, we're going to be looking at if we're going to be going to the upside from here. But if we're going to be pushing up, this is what I'm expecting to be able to be confident that we are pushing up to the upside. First of all, I'm expecting the market to break this structure right here with a body close. If that happens, I'm expecting a higher low. Now a higher low, 50% retracement, it might not be 50% retracement, a higher low and another higher high. So this is what I'm going to be expecting in Bitcoin price if we are going higher, for the market to break that daily structure, daily lower high. I'm expecting the market to break the daily lower high, which is this structure right here, and a pullback, and for the market to continue pushing up. Now another thing can also happen right here. Like as we have gotten to this level, or we'll be seeing that the market will start changing structure and start moving to the downside. We can start seeing something related to this. Probably this move that just happened yesterday might be a fake out, but this is on a daily time frame. We're going to be going down to the 4-hour time frame to see what is happening. So I've actually explained to you what I'm expecting on daily time frame. We'll just tap into those areas of interest on the daily time frame, which our daily time frame is our main time frame for us to be able to identify trends. As you can see what happened to Bitcoin yesterday, it massively impulsed to the upside. So let's go ahead to go to the 4-hour time frame for us to see what happened on the 4-hour time frame. All right, as you can see, this is the 4-hour time frame right here. So you can see where I told you guys we're expecting some sells. Now you see the importance of allowing the market to commit. For example, imagine that I was so confident that the market will sell at that region and I put a sell limit. What just happened? The market just hit my stop loss. Now this is one of the things that happened to the market, where you allow the market to do its thing. No one controls these markets. So all you need to do is to try as much as possible to protect yourself by making sure you are taking high probability trades. So I was expecting sells from this area, but you can see how the market impulsively moved to the upside. So for me to take a sell, I need to see the market committing, showing me that the market is about to sell off. Now looking at what we have on the daily time frame, we can see we have turned bullish. Yeah, we have turned mini bullish. Yeah, you can see we broke structure. We broke structure here. Let me show you. Just broke this structure right here. Oh, what is this thing doing? We just broke this structure with a body close. You can see we just broke it with a body close, tapping into this area, into this daily area. You can see, let me refine it so it can refine the other block. So this is where we are at right now. So for me, I'm not going to start taking longs or start taking shorts until I see the market commit. To me, we have turned bullish because why? This structure broke this structure where we went to the downside, and we have retraced back, and the market have body closed above it. You can see, so we actually broke structure here, which means we have turned bullish, tapping into the deeper area on the daily time frame. So what will I do next? I have to go on 1-hour time frame and start looking for where I can start looking for possible shorts or possible longs, but potentially I will be taking short on these trades. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is the 1 hour time frame. Yesterday I was telling you guys about where I would take short yesterday if the market give me an entry. Now let me show you those areas where I told you guys I will be taking short. So let me go ahead and show you those areas. Now I talked about this area or this area. This was the area yesterday I told you guys I'll be taking short if the market closes with a body close. So this area was where I told you guys that I want to take short if the market closes with a body close. Now you can see the market did not close on the 1 hour with a body close. The market just wicked it and start moving to the upside. But imagine that I put a sell limit on this some people can call it a resistance. Yeah, imagine I put a sell limit, the market just reacted and hit my stop loss. So that is why, for me, before I take any trade, I allow the market to commit, showing me that the market is about to go down or the market is about to go up from what I am seeing. Now looking at the market right now, I am seeing that the market just tapped into this daily range. See, this is the daily supply level, which is the lower high. So this is where we are at right now. So we're going to be looking at what is happening right here in Bitcoin. So this is the current situation at the moment. So this is the recent higher low. This is the recent higher low that broke structure. This is the recent higher low that broke structure. Alright, let me show you the recent higher low that broke structure. Alright, so this is the recent higher low that broke structure. So if I want to take this market short, if I want to start selling Bitcoin right now, this is what I'm expecting to happen. I'm expecting this market to break this structure right here, with a body close, a lower high up to 50%, minimum of 50% retracement, and to start targeting the market to downside. So this is what I am expecting for Bitcoin. Now this is what I'm expecting to happen in Bitcoin. Looking at it in the 4 hour time frame, for me to be able to say, oh, we are going short, you can see we need to break that structure. You can see if we take out those let me zoom this thing very well so you can see. So this is the recent higher low that broke structure. Imagine we take out this higher low, this structure right here with a body close. A lower high can give us a massive short opportunity, which is exactly what we just explained on the 1 hour time frame. So guys, this is what I'm expecting. As you can see, we just tap into that daily lower high region. So we can see, you see the way we just tap into it. All you need to do is to wait and see the market commit. For you to see that the market is actually committing to your analysis. You can see, imagine if I just put a sell here thinking that the market will start selling. Yes, the market may start selling from there, but possibly something like this can actually happen where the market can just tap into this demand level and without closing with a body close and still what? Push up. Now guys, you need to understand this. The market can push as high as it wants before a retracement will happen. It doesn't mean that the market must retrace where you want it to retrace. All you need to do is to understand what to do when the market is trending or what the market is doing anything it does. So have a systematic way of entry. I've actually shared with you one of my systematic way of entry. Before I take an entry, I want to see a body close, a bearish body close, closing below this structure. What does that mean? Signifying that the sellers are taking control. Now I'm looking forward for a market to create what we call a lower high. This is a lower high, 50% minimum retracement on the lower high region, whereby that I start looking for selling opportunity to start selling the market to the downside. So this is the way I'm going to be approaching Bitcoin. Obviously I'm expecting sells, but I am not going to take sell until this structure is taken out. Because why? We just tap an area of interest where I have interest. Because why do I say this is an area of interest? Now this is on the 4 hour time frame. This is daily lower high. Yeah, if we take out this daily lower high, for example, let's say we didn't see a sell, if the market impulsively push up above this structure, obviously what does that mean? It means that we are still in uptrend. What am I expecting from there? I'm expecting the market to cause a higher low, 50% higher low retracement to this region, and guess what? Start moving to the upside. So this is what I'm expecting for Bitcoin. So right now I am not going to go all in and start buying Bitcoin. start longing Bitcoin until I see this structure taken out. But right now I'm expecting possible sells, but you need to be patient and allow the market to commit. For me, I just shared with you how I trade. I don't know how you take your entries, but this is how I take my entries, for me to allow the market to be able to signify to me that it's about to sell. Imagine yesterday that I just hit on sell button without telling you guys I'm looking forward for the market to break a particular structure before I start taking shots. So that is how I trade, because why? The market just tapped into my area of interest. Now one of the reasons why I have to wait, because why? We just created a higher high on the daily time, on the 4-hour time frame. You can see it right here. So I am expecting the market to break this structure, cause a lower high, and start going to the downside. So this is what I'm expecting. Or if this thing did not happen, obviously we are still pushing up. Before I start taking longs, I want to see this structure taken out, the daily lower high to be taken out before start taking the market to the upside. Thank you for watching this video. I believe you got value from this video. All you need to do is to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel. Check the link in the description and join our Telegram channel today. Thank you for watching this video, and see you tomorrow.